What is a good replacement for a Lennox 10acb30-7P?
Welcome. We keep going until you have all of the information you need. Extensive training and coaching also available. Are you referring to the entire outside unit, or some part within the unit? If you mean the entire unit, you need to know that system uses an obsolete refrigerant, R-410a, and that the most viable solution is to replace both the evaporator coil inside and the outside unit with a new refrigerant R-410a system. Yours is 2.5 ton rated, and SEER 10 efficient, with age that drops to SEER 8 or so. Replacing the entire system with a SEER 14 or better system will cut your cooling bill in half. Lennox, Carrier, Bryant, Rheem, Rude, American Standard are all good brands. There are a wide variety of replacement systems to choose from. If you will let me know which direction you are from the center of the nearest city, I can assess the climate there and also look for the most reputable dealers in the area. It is the quality of the dealer that is most important in all this. We can go from there until you have all of the assistance you need.
I mean the entire unit, condenser, coil and gas furnace. I want to replace it with the current Lennox system of the same size. I understand that the energy efficiency requirements have changed. Thanks.
Hello again. Replacing the entire system as you describe is the best approach. The efficiency requirements have indeed changed. The new ones use a lot less energy. I mentioned the energy efficiency requirements earlier. Those are the SEER issues. SEER stands for S seasonal E energy E efficiency or rating. Minimum is 13 SEER. You might benefit from 16 SEER or higher. The cooling and heating requirements remain the same. Costs will be in the $6,000 to $8,000 range depending on the details and the local market. This is why I ask you which direction you are from the nearest city, so that I could recommend the most viable approach in those climate conditions. Let me know about that, we can go from there.
I am on the far north side of Atlanta. My question remains the same. What is the current Lennox model that would be the most similar to the 10acb30-7P? I did not ask about SEER. I did not ask about price. I did not ask about other manufacturers. Please help and answer my question.
Hello again. Click here please for the Lennox air conditioner that most closely matches what you have. You need the 2.5 ton model in that line. Rated at 30,000 BTUs per hour. Click here please for the next more efficient system. It will save you about as much as you pay extra for it in the first year. Not a bad choice for Atlanta if you don't mind my saying so. Click here, please for the furnace that most closely matches what you have. It is shorter than the one you have, but it is the closest available by Lennox. And at 80% efficient is all you need in Atlanta. It is also the least expensive to maintain. You need the 80,000 BTU per hour model in that line. Your direct answer is in the bold typeface. Let me know if you need any more information. We can go from there without any time limits.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.